Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the adapter pattern. So today we'll be discussing about the command pattern. So let's see what the command pattern state basically, what it does, and then we will try to implement the same thing with a simple example, right? So the command pattern encapsulates a request as an object. So this is important. So again I'm telling the command pattern encapsulates a request as an object, allowing for parameterization of the requests and queuing, right? So this is quite important. Again I'm telling the command pattern encapsulates a request as an object, allowing for the parameterization of the requests and queuing, right? So let's go with the first example, nothing but the smart home commands. So while I say smart home commands, let's go with the, I'll just consider here class light first. So I'll just give here class light. So within this one, let me consider turn on and turn off methods, right? So I'll quickly come here. I'll just give here turn on. So within this one, I'll quickly log here. So this is very simple example. So I'll just give here light is on. In this case, I'll just come out of this method. Let me make use of one more method, turn off. So within the turn off, what I'll do, I'll just quickly log here. So within this one, let me give here light is off. This is fine. Let me come out of this class entirely. Now let's make use of the one more class, nothing but I'll just give the name command here. Within the command class, let's make use of the constructor very quickly. So I'll just pass the parameters receiver and action. This is fine. So after passing the parameters receiver and action, let's set the object to act upon and also the action to perform. So let's initialize the receiver to receiver, nothing but we are this is the object to act upon, and next we need the action to perform as well, right? Let's initialize this one action to action here. This is fine. So I'll just come out of this constructor basically. Let me go with the execute method. So I'll quickly come here. Here let me give receiver within the array. I'll just give this dot action. This is fine. Let me pass the parenthesis here. So what we are doing here is we are invoking the action on the receiver. Again I'm telling this line, this is important, line number 18. So here whatever the execute method I have used, within this one what we are doing basically we are invoking the action on the receiver, right? So I'll just let me format this one once and let me come out of the class entirely. Let's go with the usage part now. So I'll just give here make use of the variable name light, give here new light. So let me make use of turn on and turn off command variable names here. Just give here turn on command. So let me copy the thing here. So I'll just give here new command of light, and we have to pass something within the this one, right? Turn on command we are making use of, we have to pass something within the strings. So here I'll just give something that is relevant to this example. I'll just give here turn on. So this is fine. So I'll just give here let me paste it over here. Instead of on, let me give here turn off. So again new command here, again let's pass the light here. Let's pass turn off within the strings. This is relevant here, right? So finally I'll just make use of the turn on command, and let's pass the execute method here. Within the execute what we have given here, so let me just here this dot receiver action, right? So what we are doing here, as I had said earlier, we are invoking the action on the receiver here. So while I call the execute command here, I mean execute method here, sorry. So the output has to be light is on here, this one, light is on. So here we are in this line number 18, which is very important. We are invoking the action on the receiver, right? So we are making use of the turn on command. Basically, the output that we need to get here is turn on method. This one, light is on. So if I give the same thing here, I'll just make use of the turn off command this time, and I'll just give here execute. So here within the turn off method, we have given light is off. So I have misspelled light here. Let me give T here. Yeah, light is off. We have to get the output light is off. Here, this line light is on we have to get, and this line we have to get light is off. So I hope the concept is completely clear here. So rather than the output. So the command pattern, basically what it does, it encapsulates a request as an object. We can clearly see here, right? This encapsulates a request, request as an object, allowing for the parameterization of the requests and queuing. We can clearly see here, right, with this example. So one thing is, let's try to run the code. As we know that the output that we need to get here is light is on and light is off. Let's see whether we get the desired output or not. So I'll just give you a node. Command pattern is the file name, right? .ts. So yeah, we are getting the output light is on and light is off, which is absolutely correct. So let me format this one. Sorry, let me format this one. Yeah, for now this is it. Next, we'll be discussing about the final design pattern. That will be the last design pattern. Basically, we'll be discussing here. That will be proxy pattern. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.